Hello and welcome, Greg here from Motor Match Crewe, sharing with you today our latest arrival. Today is the turn of this cutesy and funky Fiat 500, here available in the Rockstar edition, powered by a 1.2 engine with a grey solid colour. It's definitely guaranteed to turn heads with the likes of privacy glass, as well as full LED tail lights. Other great features will also incorporate the benefit of daytime running lights, as well as these stylish multi-spoke alloy wheels to contrast the grey paint. Boot space can easily swallow weekly shopping, with the option of creating more space thanks to the 50-50 split seats. Although a 3-door, getting in the back is incredibly easy and will unlock additional 2 seats with the added benefit of 2 Isofix child anchor points and even 2 cup holders. Two-tone upholstery can be found in the front with these blue accents, as well as front sport seats with their own 500 logo embossed in them as well. Best of all, the fixed glass roof will certainly illuminate the cabin, and the driver will enjoy this multifunction steering wheel capable of operating volume and music, and even comes with additional stock which will control cruise control as well as speed limiter as well if you're worried about exceeding the legal speed limit. Additionally, as this is a Fiat 500, it comes with its own city mode, offering lighter steering in tight traffic conditions. Other great features will also incorporate an additional menu, which is operated via these 3 buttons, and you can display dimmer or audio, navigation and any other functions you would like to see always in your part digital instrument cluster. You can even adjust the brightness of the screen as well, but everything will be displayed. Moving over to the center console, the Uconnect infotainment screen will have all your entertainment needs covered, with the likes of AM, FM and DAB digital radio, with additional media source inputs on offer, such as Bluetooth for media streaming and USB connectivity, as well as auxiliary inputs. The TomTom built-in SatNav is an absolute joy to use and will ensure you never ever get lost, and additionally Uconnect apps can also be utilized with an adjustable speaker system for the music fans amongst you. Other great features will also allow you an easy Bluetooth pairing process, allowing you to stay in touch with family and friends, and various other vehicle setting systems are on offer too. Moving down the cabin, easy to use air conditioning system is on offer, and to help you park, audible and visual rear parking sensors will provide additional reassurance. The fixed glass roof even benefits from a manual sunshade blind to block out the sun.